Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's perfect for those looking to harness solar energy on the go. We found the Power-FLEX-55 solar kit with digital controller and added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The Power-FLEX-55 is a sleek and efficient 55-watt solar kit that comes equipped with a 10-amp digital controller. This kit is designed to provide a reliable source of power for your lightweight RV, camper, or even a small boat. One of the standout features of this solar kit is its unique design, which allows it to curve up to 30 degrees. This means you can easily mount it to various surfaces without the need for custom mounts, making installation a breeze. Another key feature is its versatility in installation. You can affix the solar panels using adhesive or screws, allowing you to choose the method that best suits your setup. The durable surface of the panels ensures they can withstand the rigors of outdoor use, providing peace of mind while you're out exploring. Measuring less than 1/8 inch thick, or just 3 mm, these panels are incredibly lightweight, 82% lighter than traditional modules, making them ideal for lightweight RVs and other portable applications. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're an avid camper, boater, or simply someone who enjoys off-grid adventures, the Power-FLEX-55 is a fantastic option. It's perfect for those who want to enjoy the conveniences of electricity without being tethered to a power source or generator. The compact size and lightweight design make it easy to transport and install, while the solar kit's efficient performance ensures you have the power you need for your devices. In practical use cases, you could easily set up this solar kit on your RV's roof to power essential appliances like lights, fans, and even small refrigerators. It's also great for charging batteries, which can come in handy when you're out in remote locations. Whether you're on a weekend getaway or a long road trip, this solar kit can help you stay powered up, so you can focus on enjoying your adventure. In summary, the Power-FLEX-55 solar kit with digital controller is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a lightweight, efficient, and easy-to-install solar solution. Its impressive features and versatility make it a must-have for campers, RV enthusiasts, and outdoor adventurers alike. Thanks for watching.